Bring the hood into the installation area. Unpack the hood by guiding a knife along the center of the packaging, taking care not to damage the product. Inside you will find the manual and fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. Mark the center line according to the manual. Mark the distance line according to the manual. For the next step, you will need the template provided. Temporarily stick the template to the wall using tape. Using the template, mark the 3 screwing positions on the wall. Take the template off the wall. Fix 2 of the screws to the wall. With a colleague, hang the hood onto the wall. Open the hood and remove the filter. Using the additional screw, secure the hood into place. Assemble the filters. Place the 2 filters back into position. Now you will need the grid. Install the grid onto the top of the hood. When installing the grid, ensure it is angled so that the airflow is flowing away from the wall. Plug in the cable onto the top of the hood. And using the screw and cable clip provided, secure the cable to the top of the hood. You would now plug the hood in using a pre-prepared socket. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.